next section is my cook system, which is very simple. This morning I woke up, mind racing 100 miles an hour. I sat down and read an article from the Trek in which someone was explaining why they went from having a stove to cold soaking. And as I read the article, it just like made sense. I then listened to Darwin on the Trail's rationale of why he went to cold soaking for his through hikes. And I started thinking about my own preferences, and really when I thought about it is I want to eat on the trail in order to get the calories so that I have energy to go and do whatever activity I'm supposed to do. I have no illusions of cooking gourmet meals on the trail. And the fact that if I can cold soak, and we've been following a keto diet for the last month. So to be able to cold soak something, that's high in fats, like sardines would be great, a little smelly, but really a great food, would be a good thing to do. So I'm going to try that and see how it works. I'm going to apply the scientific method. So I have the jar for the cold soaking, the bamboo spoon, the sack to keep those little rodents out, and then the op sack to get rid of the smells. So, and then smart water bottles. Obviously you need that because you need the water to rehydrate the food. So that is my cook system.